In today's video, we are going to see a complete practical walkthrough inside Odoo ERP. This is a real-time screen recording where different configurations, settings, sales operations, and system options are being explored step by step. So let's start slowly and understand everything happening on the screen. Right now, we are inside the Odoo dashboard interface. At the top, you can see different menu options and navigation tabs available inside the system. On the left side, multiple applications and modules are visible, such as sales, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, website, planning, timesheets, documents, and many more. This shows how Odoo provides an all-in-one ERP environment where every department can work together inside a single platform. Now we are opening the settings section. Inside settings, we can configure different company-level options and system preferences. You can see multiple tabs like General Settings, Users and Companies, Translations, Technical Settings, and other advanced configuration areas. Now the system is loading company-related information. Here we can see company details, such as company name, email, phone number, website, currency, and other business information. These settings are important because they define the basic structure of the ERP system for the organization. Now we are scrolling through the configuration page. Different operational settings are visible here. For example, accounting settings, inventory settings, sales settings, warehouse management, and automation options. You can notice that Odoo allows businesses to enable or disable features according to their workflow requirements. Now we are checking currency-related configuration. Here the system supports automatic currency rates and multi-currency operations. This feature is useful for businesses working internationally, with multiple countries and different currencies. Now we continue moving through the settings panel. You can see various modules listed on the left side, including manufacturing, accounting, purchase, inventory, website, timesheets, planning, and documents. This demonstrates how Odoo combines multiple business operations into one connected ERP ecosystem. Now the screen is showing company branch information and general company records. Here, administrators can manage multiple companies or multiple branches from the same system. This is especially useful for organizations operating in different cities or countries. Now we are editing or creating a new record inside the ERP system. You can see fields being entered one by one. The form contains different sections where business data can be stored properly. As information is entered, Odoo automatically validates the entries. This helps maintain data accuracy and reduces mistakes during operations. Now the system moves to another configuration page. You can see additional operational settings loading on the screen. At this moment, the user is navigating through different setup options available inside Odoo. This part is important because ERP implementation always starts with proper configuration. Without correct settings, business workflows may not operate properly. Now we continue to another settings area. You can see warehouse and inventory-related options becoming visible on the screen. Here we have features like storage locations, warehouse management, replenishment options, and advanced scheduling settings. These settings help businesses manage stock movement efficiently. Now the user is scrolling further inside inventory configuration. You can see options related to landed costs, warehouse operations, storage locations, and product movement tracking. This is useful for businesses managing physical inventory and warehouse operations. Now the screen displays advanced scheduling and replenishment configuration. These features help automate stock planning and inventory replenishment processes. Instead of manually checking stock every day, businesses can automate inventory management using these settings. Now the user navigates towards sales-related menus. At the top section you can see sales reporting, sales teams, salespersons, point-of-sale configuration, and online sales options. This indicates that the ERP system is now moving into the sales workflow area. Now different sales reporting options are visible. Businesses can track sales performance, salesperson activity, customer orders, and revenue reports from this section. This helps management analyze business performance in real time. Now the user is opening sales order-related configuration. Inside this section, businesses can manage quotations, orders, and invoices, and customer-related operations. You can notice that Odoo organizes everything systematically, with proper menus and workflow options. Now we continue navigating through additional operational menus. The system is showing reporting tools and spreadsheet integration options. These tools help businesses create detailed reports and analyze operational data directly inside Odoo. Now the user moves again between modules and configuration screens. This demonstrates how easy it is to switch between departments inside Odoo ERP. Unlike traditional systems where separate software is required, here everything works together in one connected environment. Now the user is checking another operational section inside the ERP platform. Different menu items and settings are visible again. This part of the workflow mainly focuses on back-end configuration and operational management. Now we continue exploring more system options. You can see smooth navigation between forms, menus, and records. This user-friendly interface is one of the reasons why many businesses prefer Odoo ERP. Employees can quickly learn the system and manage daily operations more efficiently. Now the screen shows additional company configuration and operational setup. This includes settings related to users, access permissions, workflows, and internal operations. Access control is very important in ERP systems because different employees require different permissions. For example, warehouse staff may only access inventory operations, while accountants manage invoices and financial records. Now the user continues reviewing different ERP sections step by step. As you can see, the workflow involves configuration, operational setup, reporting, and module navigation. This type of setup is usually performed during ERP implementation or business process customization. Now more inventory and warehouse-related options are visible. These settings allow businesses to control stock movement, warehouse locations, replenishment roles, and delivery processes. All these operations are connected directly with sales and accounting modules. Now the user navigates again through reporting and configuration areas. The system continues loading different operational menus and records. This demonstrates the flexibility and scalability of Odoo ERP. Businesses can customize workflows according to their own operational requirements. Now we are approaching the final section of the workflow shown in this video. Throughout the video, we explored multiple ERP modules including settings, inventory, warehouse management, sales configuration, reporting, and operational setup. This complete walkthrough gives a practical overview of how businesses use Odoo ERP for centralized management. Instead of handling operations manually, companies can automate workflows, improve productivity, reduce errors, and manage everything from one platform. This is why ERP systems like Odoo are becoming increasingly popular worldwide. So this was the complete practical walkthrough shown in the video today. If you are interested in Odoo ERP implementation, customization, training, integration, or automation services, feel free to connect with us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo ERP tutorials and business automation content. See you in the next video.